In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to cancel a pending transaction on Capital One. So first of all, you need to access your phone and make sure that you use your web browser. And after that, you need to utilize the search bar for you to be able to search for Capital One. So after you search for it, you will see the first URL. You just have to click on that and you will redirect to the page of the Capital One. So after that, you are going to scroll it down until you reach the footer, and as you can see, you will have a few options right here, but we are going to click on the support section. Once you click on that, it will pop up just like this, and we just have to click on the contact us. Once you click on that, it will actually redirect you to their support, which is actually you could get a hotline of theirs so they can directly assist you via call. And actually, you could click the bank account section and you will also get the customer service of a specific problem section, just like on your bank account, which is you will cancel a pending transaction on your bank. So you just have to call their hotline, or when you scroll it down, you will be able to chat with their bot and message or send a message to their digital assistant, which is named as Eno. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.